Hey, it's Bill Portnova. Are you struggling at building a WordPress website? Do you not know where to start? Well, what we've done today is we've started putting together a free WordPress blog that's going to help you with free WordPress tutorials that we call How to Use WordPress Free WordPress Guide. Okay, basically what's going to happen is if you come to our page, which I'm going to have below this video, I'm going to have links to the actual blog itself, and then I'm going to have a link to where you can actually get the free WordPress guide on how to use WordPress. And all you'll have to do is fill in your name and email. But I just want to show you kind of around here real quick. We're going to add some more different subjects and stuff. But the first page is introduction. The next is understanding the WordPress admin login, how to use WordPress Dashboard, WordPress posts versus pages, how to use WordPress content visual editor, WordPress categories, what are WordPress tags, WordPress media library, WordPress comments, step-by-step on how to navigate through the WordPress appearance. Right here, what are WordPress plugins, WordPress users, how to use all that, how to use WordPress tools, WordPress settings, how to keep your WordPress site updated, and then WordPress resource page and helpful URLs to help you learn more about WordPress. And then one of the most important, how to do WordPress security, how to turn your blog into profit, meaning setting it up right so you can either do Google AdSense or some other type of an affiliate thing that you can make money, and all about WordPress themes. We're going to add another one here that's going to be about WordPress SEO. So once you come to our website, just make sure you bookmark it, save it, follow the notification that will pop up here. There'll be something that will say, do you want to get notifications of new posts? Click yes on that. Or right here, you can do the same thing. You click on that and accept it. All right. So basically right here on the first page, you can just click right here. But we might actually change this page around just to give you more information about what the free ebook is all about, okay? A detailed of what you're going to get in the whole book, because like I said, it's 169 pages. So like I said, we're going to show you exactly what you're going to get. So basically, if you want to get access to this free WordPress guide on how to use WordPress, what you just need to do is just click right there, all right? And I'm going to have the links to this all below this video. Just click right here. All right, we're just going to put that information right here. I've already subscribed, so there we go. What you're going to do after that is you're going to come over to your email address. All right, you're going to come over here and you're going to confirm it, but mine has already been confirmed. Once you've confirmed, okay, you're going to be sent a link that's going to take you to the thank you page right here. Okay, here's the thank you page. All right, once you get there, then what's going to happen is you can just come right here and you can click download. I'm just going to click open because I already have it saved. But right here also, there's going to be more information here that you can get some more video tutorials on how to use WordPress and how to set up your first WordPress website, plus how you can get a free WordPress plugin every single month, okay? So right here, it's downloading this information right here. It's going to pop up here in a second. So just make sure you know where you're saving it. So once you open it up, okay? Here it is. We're going to pop it open here. All right, we're opening it up. All right, here's the ebook here. All right. This is myself right now, Bill Portnova, my business partner, Mike Murphy. Like we said, this is a WordPress manual that's going to guide you on how to use WordPress. All right. We published this in May of 2018, so that's this month that I'm making it right now. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the table of contents so you actually see what's going to happen. There's going to be a welcome, introduction, how to log in to your WordPress dashboard or to your WordPress website. It's going to talk about the WordPress dashboard here. Like I said, you can see dashboard menu options, toolbar, hiding the toolbar. You're going to learn about what's the difference between posts versus pages in WordPress. Like right here, you're going to see all that information. Adding your site's content. Like I said, adding a new page, adding a new post, adding content with visual editor, switching the text in editor, changing your post into format, reviewing paste and revisions. Right here, it's going to show you more about adding images and other media. We're going to show you all right here, inserting an image, edit or deleting an image, setting up a featured image, also inserting an image in the gallery, edit, delete images gallery, insert audio, video, playlist, insert video, audio types. You can just see it's just a ton of stuff. So adding HTML links, inserting HTML links into your posts and pages, editing HTML links. I mean, tons of stuff. Removing your HTML links, editing existing content, deleting content, full screen editing, saving and publishing your content on your WordPress blog. WordPress categories, what they are. It's going to give it great depth on that. What are WordPress tags? What is the WordPress media library? You're going to learn all that information here. You're going to learn what is WordPress comments. Then you're going to learn about WordPress appearance, okay? And it's going to tell you all the information right here of what you're going to need. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you can actually see right there. Then we're going to talk about what WordPress plugins are, okay? What WordPress users are, what kind of tools for the section in the WordPress dashboard. Then we're going to talk about WordPress settings, okay? And then keeping up with your site, making sure it's always updated, and then just some few helpful hints that we're going to do. So like I said, there's the welcome here from us, the introduction. Like I said, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And you can just see that this is very detailed, a lot of visual guidance that's going to help you, okay? So I'm just going to scroll down here, all right, down to the bottom, okay? Right here, where you go from here, this has some great information right here that's going to take you to the main website of WordPress, so you can learn even more from there. It's just this WordPress guide is going to help you tremendously on knowing what WordPress is all about, how to set up a site, and getting you set up to have great success at building your first website and understanding things. And then right down here, we have a course right here. It's all videos, plus we actually have some other ebooks that are in here, but we actually have videos that are going to show you literally from A to Z on how to set up your WordPress website, security, a whole bunch of different things that is going to help you have your blog set up to get the best rankings, have the best security, and show you different affiliate things and how to get all that set up and how you can make your WordPress site set up to make affiliate sales. We're going to show you all that kind of stuff. So basically all you'll do is you'll just click right here, and you'll also, with this package right here, you're also going to get one free WordPress plugin, premium WordPress plugin every single month. So I'm just going to close this out here real quick. All right. So like I said, once you've downloaded that, you have free access to it forever. If we ever update to new versions, which this is the newest version right now, we're going to add the newest version right here. So like we said, once you've signed up here, you're going to have full access, okay? Now let's come back here really quick. Let me just close this out. All right, here's the page right here that we were talking about. We're going to add some more features. Make sure you come over here and you like our page and you share it with all the people you can. What you can do is you can see the other categories down here. Right here, this is our WordPress plugin that we have right now that gets you unlimited free website traffic, okay? I'm just going to close this out. This is 0. We've got to get this fixed right now, but it's actually, we're in the billions right now of delivering traffic. But right now this site is under construction, and we are working on a plugin to take it to the next level to get people even more traffic. So you can still sign up and be on the list, and once things are ready to go, you'll get an email that will say things are ready to go. You'll be able to upload the WordPress plugin that's called WP Content Discovery, and you'll start being able to get free website traffic from our powerful WordPress plugin that we have developed. It's been probably about 5-6 years now, okay? So like I said, this is Bill Portnova. Make sure you, once you hit the link below this video, to go to our website right here, and then once you're ready, make sure you get our free guide right here, the 169 page free WordPress guide, okay? This is Bill Portnova. We're here to help you with WordPress and help you understand everything you need to know and get you on the right path of being a WordPress pro. We'll talk to you soon. Have yourself a great day.